10 office center. And we have a elevator in here. Interesting. Looks like a Lakeland Larson. Interesting. Oh, I bet it's a Lakeland. Because it looks like this was before the merger with Larson. I remember I came here as a kid and the indicator was broken, so I'm glad to see that that's fixed. Oh, it's a restaurant. Let's step out and get the bell. That sounds like an MAC door operator. Once again, here's your cab. Oh, it's got a bumper. I didn't even realize that. Neato. All right, up to 4. That is a nice bell. Rings on that side, even though the door's on this one. And the elevator control room is on the top floor. That's weird. Anyway, back to LR. There's your panel. All aligned in a neat little column. Let's see that bell once more. Damn it, I talked over it. That's awesome. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize you were in there. There it goes. And that's it.